Yeah, 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 yo. Check the strategy, simple and clean. Pine tree in the building, the trading machine. I'm looking at the charts, not for no drama, just for that sweet setup. Call it the inside bar gamma. It's a tight squeeze, a moment of pause, breaking to the upside or the downside without flaws. It's my bread and butter, my daily routine, capturing them moves, living the dream. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on the road, putting skills to the test. Yeah. See, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed might. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day. Cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on a roll, putting skills to the test. Yeah, yeah. From the start of the session to the end of the line, I'm scaling and I'm swinging, making every penny mine. Don't need 100 points to feel a success, just a few ticks of profit to feel truly blessed. I'm a funded king with a plan so clear, no fear in this game, cause the strategy is here. Yeah, Monetary Trader, you know the name. Daily payouts, ain't it a shame that others are struggling, playing their silly games, while I'm on top, fueling the flames. Take Profit, Apex, my funded, yeah, you heard me right. Staying on that grind from the morning till the night, yeah. Daily payouts. I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine Tree Trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From Pine Tree Trader to Take Profit, we're on a roll. Tradify's the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The Bears or the Bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the context all the way to the end. I'm with Take Profit Trader, they've got my back, giving me the capital, keeping me on track. No more small accounts, no more holding back. I'm a funded trader, there's no turning back. My trades are clean, my risk is tight. I'm living this life, shining so bright. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From Pine Tree Trader to Take Profit, we're on a roll. Tradify's the platform, we're in full.
Yo, what is up? My mic was muted. What is up? What is up? Can you guys hear me? Alright, cool. Coach Fred. What's up, Bach? Josh Allen in the house. Slick Rick in the house. What's up? Hey Dylan, what is up? What's going on? Daryl in the house. Michael Giannis. How'd you guys do today? So today, pretty good day overall. Crushed it in the, oh no, red candles, you blew it. Damn it. JC Trades in the house. I did not touch my accounts after I left. I wanted to. I saw the market pushing down, but I did not. I went for a walk, went for lunch. Oh yeah, red candles. That's alright, man. I blew an account today too. Kernal in the house. Coach Singh, what is up? So I have 2 streams going right now. One on YouTube Shorts and one on the horizontal. So Zachariah, what is going on? About to go back and just use Beelnox. Yeah, just try to build up another Beelnox payout, take that payout and buy some more accounts, you know. Not financial advice, but that is the way to do it. Yes, you can pass Beelnox in one day. So I ended up passing one today. Sign in again? Oh. So I ended up passing a Beelnox today. I actually passed it in 2 days, but you can pass it in one day. I just kind of wasn't, I didn't really care if I passed it or not. Type deal. Oh, it's gone now, but I gotta activate it. But I did pass one today. About to go back. Yeah, so yeah, you can pass Beelnox in one day. Beelnox discount right now so is 83% off 25K and 50K option 1, which is the intraday trailing drawdown. If you use code PINE, if you want 75% off end of day accounts, which is the option 2 50Ks, you can use Pine 2 is the code. Pine and the number 2. But 83% off if you want to use Pine for option 1, Pine 2, 75% off on Beelnox. And those go 83% off till the 23rd, and the 75% off goes until the end of the month, so the 28th. So, Coach Fred, what's up? Cornell. Let's go, Dab Dow. Yeah, Take Profit Trader still 40% off. Crazy. Do I go live on X? No, I don't know how. Shit, JC trades. I probably could, right? I don't know. I'm sure I could. Let's see. Something about those small daily hits just leads to more wins. I can do it more consistently. Yeah, no, that's definitely the way to go. Red candles. So something about those daily payout accounts. You want to get over to that profit target as fast as possible so you can start getting daily payouts. And yeah. Does My Fund Future provide order flow plus for free on Trade? I don't think so. I'm not sure. Let me look. Jimmy Burbank, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. The IBOB crushed today? Yeah, Mobro. So yeah, order flow I definitely don't think is free. Especially for My Funded Futures. If I had to guess, the only ones that I would think that might have it for free would be Take Profit Trader, who you just got, or Trade Day. They usually offer some of the bonus subscriptions and things. It's under add-on. Alright, add-ons. So Trading View for free. Advanced Charting for free. Volume Profile. Tick Stream for free. Order Flow Plus is $60, so no. I'm pretty sure that Take Profit Trader has Order Flow Plus, don't they? Feline Futures, what is up? Two pines now, I know. I don't know. It's just something I'm trying right now. I don't know if it makes a difference or not. Getting the YouTube shorts, like more eyes, more people finding my stream. I don't really know. I saw Red Candles doing it, so copying him. Does Buellnox offer it? I doubt it. I would highly doubt it. Buellnox doesn't have Trade-Evate either. So Take Profit Trader doesn't have it, Dab Dow. Michael Bubble, Buellnox. Yeah, red candles. I think I can. I'd have to have Ultra though, Streamlabs Ultra, to do to Twitter as well. Because I can do 2 for free, but then I'd have to get Ultra to do to Twitter. Which, I don't know. I mean, I barely have any followers on Twitter. I have like 800. To be honest with you, I hate X. I hate Twitter. I hate it. I only have it for the channel. It's nothing but a lot of FUD and fake phoniness and a lot of drama. I have Streamlabs. Red candles. Power 737. So you tilted bad, lost 4 funded accounts, copy trading, and then TPT with 200 over. Oh no. I'm sorry to hear that, Powers. It's definitely not hard to do on a day like today. I mean, this right here, this crap right here in the morning, I was shocked. I was like, what is this? This barcoding was just nasty. Nasty. First inside bar paid very well. So it kind of it's always like that thing, like, oh, if I just took one trade a day and then just took this first inside bar, it would have paid. But all in hindsight, right? We don't know. I mean, I know it's a pretty good high win rate, and it is profitable, but yeah, big news day is not easy. Thank you so much, Ty Gorton. Thank you for the sub. So I appear to be getting some subs through the mobile, so that's good. So if you guys are tuning in on the mobile side and you want to see the full screen, I do have the full screen up on the other side, so come on over. All right, market's opening up in about 7-8 minutes or so. Got my Dr. Dre shirt on. I love this shirt, especially because it was like $2 on clearance. Corey, first day on the pro account. Oh no, I did the same thing, Corey, on an Apex account today. I thought I was trying to copy trade 4 accounts, so I went in with 4 minis, because if you guys know, in Trade-Evate you have to match the number of contracts to the accounts. So I went in 4, thinking I was in my group trade, and it was in 1. Thankfully, I ended up getting out for, I think I lost like 180 bucks on that 1 account, but it could have been disastrous. Sorry to hear that. Do you still have the accounts, or are they gone? Mo in the house, what is up? Disciplined trader. Sammy, what is up? Oh, you got it back. You got some of it back. Nice. Yeah, that's all right. You just keep grinding. If you didn't get it all back, that's okay. Sup, Lay? What's going on? So I had a really good day. Pretty much a green day. I did blow my funded future core count, completely over leveraging and trying to push it. I did reset an account down here, and I did reset 2 core evals for $57 a piece. So not too bad on those. Right now, My Funded Futures does have that 25% off resets. So if you want to reset some accounts, you can use code PINE to do that. I appreciate it. Really good deal. It's $57, all in cost, no activation fee if you reset a core account. So, really good deal. I reset 2 of those today. Got one to 50%. This funded account up here, I got it up to $2,051. Today will be day 5, so I have to make another $100 today, which is so easy to do. Not. How hard could it be, right? Make another $100 and then I'll lock in a max payout with that. So I will take the max payout on that. This funded account down here, I made $1,408 after resetting it. So really good first day. The nice thing about the core accounts now compared to the old starter accounts, there is no consistency rule. So you can push them on day 1 and not have to get over that consistency, which is nice. Really good day on Apex. Apex accounts are looking marvelous. I got 4 accounts up over $3,200. Funded accounts. I passed a 250K Apex account that I got rebilled on a 90% off. So that's pretty sweet. I wonder if the activation fee is going to be $85 on that, or if it's going to be the full amount. I don't know. So that'll give me 5 Apex accounts. And Bulenox, I pretty much locked in the payout with this. Up $3,645. This would be my 3rd payout. This is today was day 9, so today is day 10. I made $344 on that. 2 trades. So just like we were just talking about, base hit days basically. I had 1 bad day since July 16th on this account. These are all like personal daily loss limits. $700 is my personal daily loss limit, and then this is a bad day, $1,700. But we're kind of just grinding it back. I'm not trying to get back all this loss, just kind of grinding it. So yeah, that's the account status. So let's see. What makes me stop trading for the day is the their profit or loss target you stick to. Yeah, pretty much on the accounts that I just need to take base hits days, where I have to trade it for 8 to 10 days anyway. If I make $200 to $500 easily, then I'm just like done for the day. And then yeah, $700 daily loss limit is what I try to stick to. So if I hit $700 on this account, daily loss limit, and then I'm done for the day. So that's what I try to stick to, but I am definitely not perfect. But so a little of both, Mo. Alfred in the house, what is up? Lay's hanging out in London. Let's go. The last mile is the hardest. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, try to dig yourself out of a hole, no go. Yeah, I know, Powers. I know. His Royal Trades, what is up? I don't stream New York. Well, I was streaming earlier today. Mo, Shelby. Got 2 Mo's in the house. I was streaming earlier today, but normally I just stream this time of day. The viewership is very poor during New York. As you can imagine, there's tons of competition as far as the streaming space goes. I mean, there's no competition. I'm the best YouTube streamer on the planet, but there's a lot of other people that stream. That's a joke, by the way, guys. I'm not Patrick Whelan. I don't actually think that. Anyways, market is open. Good luck. Let's go. I'm doing great, Johnny FX. I'm ready. You requested a payout Friday, still waiting. So when you requested it, should have gave you a payout date, JC Trades. If you requested Friday, you should get paid. Well, you should know by like this Wednesday. So. Mo, yeah. Yeah, I definitely, you guys know me, I take trades. I don't want you guys following me. I don't pretend like it's not a signal service. I just kind of show you what I'm doing, how I'm thinking, and I'm trying to trade for monies for myself. So we are getting a push up. But yeah. I did watch Patrick a little bit the other day. I got nothing against the guy. I admire his hustle for sure. But he was in 70 points in drawdown with a lot of contracts. And he was just like, no stops. He's like, market makers don't need to come for my stops because I don't have any. Is the 700 daily loss limit for 50K accounts? Yeah. Yeah, because I generally can make, you know, it's not uncommon where I can make $700 in a day. I've been kind of playing these very conservative, but if you look at like last month, you know, 1,500, you know, 693. So 700 is kind of like right in that range where if I lose it, then, you know, I can pretty much get it back in the next 2 days sometimes. So wait for an inside buy. Sovereignty, what's going on? Thanks for coming back. Yoda Trades in the house. Market makers don't care about your 3 micros. No, they definitely don't care about our sim funded money. These are simulation accounts, so simulation accounts that do turn into real money when you take payouts and it hits your bank account, but yeah, they don't really care. Yeah, for sure. Charlie Kirk. I don't know who the Charlie Kirk is. Who's Charlie Kirk? Pine, I'm trading the trade day. Oh, let's go. You trying out those static accounts on trade day? Oh, that's awesome, Alfred. Yeah, keep me updated. No, it's not easy. It's almost like if you get to, like, you know, if you get to, if you had a good start on it. That's how I always think about those stat accounts. If you get a good start on it, but if you get in the hole quick, then it's like no good. It's kind of how I feel about the core accounts too. The nice thing is that you can only trade one mini, so they don't care about $1,200 payouts? No, they don't. They do care about placing orders on one side or the other at the same spot. They do care about that. I know that for a fact. I did not mean to do that one day. And they were mad on a real account. I had so many browsers up, like Trade Evade everywhere, you know. You wouldn't think that Trade Evade would allow you to do that. Like, you think that that you can place an order. Like, say I want to place an order on the buy side on 870 and place an order on the sell side on 870. You wouldn't think it would allow you to do that, but it does. Options are good for hedging. Yeah, I'm not. So I know a lot of people do that. They call it like prop firm arbitrage or something like that, where they trading hedging with options. I don't really know how to do it. I mean, I have a loose understanding on how to do it, but it's not great. Oh, really, Nick? Yeah, I don't know who it is. Is he like a politician or something? Um, how many contracts do I usually trade? So I'm kind of a mini guy. I do like minis. So like one minis. If I'm trading, if you watched me trade earlier today, I was in 2 minis. I was actually in 3 at one point. Trading earlier today. During this session, it's kind of a 1 mini. I'm not much of a micro guy. I do trade micro. I have been trading micros with my Apex accounts because they're well over the buffer now. But I just need to get the days traded, so I switched to micros. So I pretty much been trading 3 micros per account. Fiber Splice, what's going on? Smash the like button. So if you guys are on the mobile side, smash the like button. If you're on the regular PC side, smash the like button. Do I like static? Red candles, I kind of do in a way. I did take an Apex static account and built it way up once, and then ended up owing it. But I got a really good start on it. So, but they're difficult. So you get very little drawdown to start, but the static literally doesn't move. So if you can get a good jump on it on day 1, then obviously it's static drawdown, so it doesn't trail you. Oh really? Aqua Futures? I've never even heard of Aqua Futures, but yeah. No swing accounts with Aqua Futures, no. Design, what is up? People hedge options against their investments usually, yeah. Yeah, so I know people do it against props, but I'm really not sure how to do it. I do trade options. I traded options today. My strategy is very simple. I talked about it earlier. So basically what I do, and you can do this on ES. So here's a little ES strat, if you guys are ES traders. So basically the initial balance, so the first hour of the day, which is what I just highlighted in blue right here. I wait for a break. I wait for a break to either side of the initial balance. So in this case, ES broke to the downside, right? So here's the low of the initial balance. It broke to the downside. I waited for a retracement back, 50%, and you look, it almost came to a T. Came to it to a T, and then I ended up going in on SPX. I sold the calls, SPX option spreads, and I sold basically the high of the day. So I sold the high of the day. So if as long as it stayed below the high of the day, then I collected all the premium. If it, went and tested the high of the day, and then I would have got out. I would have stopped myself out. But that's what I do. Very simple. Very. It's not a very stressful way to trade. It's very unstressful. As long as you're sized properly. Seems to be doing okay so far. But you can kind of do that. You can do that with ES too, as long as you. So if you have a break with the ES and you wait for retracement back to 50%, so today you would went in short on ES or maybe MES, and then to stop at the high of the day, and then to see if it pushed back down. It's not a bad thing, but. Oh, I was just talking about my options, my bread and butter, Tyler. My options. What's going on? So we have an inside bar here. So I do have a My Funded Futures core account I was trading earlier. This is a eval. Let's see. Yeah, for sure, Powers. Static accounts are closest to real account. It's kind of true. So I'm gonna try a long here. I built a couple of ETF statics with 1 to 2 micros. Now I'm trading minis with them. Yeah, they've reached out to me about the static accounts. I don't know. ETF, I mean, has reached out to me. I don't trade with them, so. Yeah, okay, Powers. Yeah, I'll check those out. ETFs. We want to go down till the filiality bows, and CPI rip us all the way back up. Yeah, we could. That could happen. I have a feeling it could be kind of choppy tonight. With the fairly big news today, and then we got big news tomorrow. Could get a little choppy. Definitely the most profitable prop for some reason. I have no clue. Isn't it weird how that happens? I'm sure a lot of you guys that trade different prop firms know what I'm talking about when it's like, you just have really good luck with a certain prop firm. And it has nothing to do with the rules or whatever. It's just like, it just seems like, you can't lose on that prop or whatever. Are these the inside bars you're talking about? The inside bars are yellow. Yeah, these ones are just 30-minute candles. Bar chart. Because I just look for it for initial balance breaks. Wow, looks like we swept both sides of this candle. Technically. Interesting. Hey, Francis, what is up? So, yeah, red candle. So the most important thing is just to make sure you just don't windfall trade, things like that. Just stick with a specific strategy with Apex, and then don't break the 30% rule, things like that. The way I kind of look at them is like you just keep trading them, try to build them up, and if they deny you, then you just keep trying to build them up. Just make more money. So that's kind of what I'm doing with them. You hate intraday pay? Yeah, I know. I hear you, Mr. Battles. Kind of the same. I've gotten so used with intraday trailing drawdown, it doesn't really bother me. My style of trading, it doesn't really affect me much. Anytime it usually affects me is when I'm trying to full port evals, and then it usually comes back and bites me. But yeah, no, doesn't seem to affect me much. Funny enough, my biggest payouts ever were with 25K accounts. So my biggest payout and my second biggest payout and my third biggest payout were all 25K accounts. So, and I always think I need bigger accounts too, but it's really not the case. Sometimes it's faster to get over the trailing drawdown, faster to get over the profit targets, easier to pass the eval sometimes. different amount of positions every day. Well, yeah, I mean, a lot of them, even Buellanox, they say you're supposed to keep a certain size position, but I don't. I trade, sometimes I'll trade 1 mini, 2 minis, 3 minis. I'll go to micro sometimes on Buellanox. But yeah. Yeah, that's why the nice thing is like if you don't want to trade with Apex, is like there's so many others now. Back when I started, there wasn't many. I mean, you had like UProfit, Top Step. Apex was just getting started. There's just so many to choose from. But yeah, I traded minis on 25k accounts. Yeah, max. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out on this. Mr. Battle, how's Buellanox payout process? So yeah, I mean, I've gotten I've gotten what, 8 payouts in the last 2-3 months with Buellanox, probably 3 months. And payout process is very, very good. I've never been denied or anything. But the problem, they only pay out on Wednesdays. So if you, say like you request on this Thursday, like you won't see your payout until the following Wednesday. You know what I'm saying? So that's the only thing that kind of bites with them. Unlike like my funded futures and things like that, is like you get paid out instantly. Take Profit Trader, you get paid out within 24 hours. I never had an issue with Take Profit Trader. Usually I request at the market close or whenever the dashboard updates. So that night, usually around 10 Eastern time, and then by morning, you know, I have my payout and I can trade my account again. Well, down 239 on that. Got whipped out there. Hey Nate, what is up? Yeah, I don't know if I can, Nate. I tried to... It's so hard. Try it like that, but then sometimes I move this around, and then but yeah, I'll try it like that. What's going on, Nate? Toy, what is up? Yeah, that's not too bad. I think that's pretty good. No, it's all good, Nate. Yeah, no, I was just testing this out. So the idea is to try to get people like new eyes over on that side, and then so if it comes through YouTube Shorts, and then maybe they'll. And I've already gotten 2 subscribers that came through the YouTube Shorts tonight, so seems to work okay. Team Massive, what is up? Jack Boom in the house. But yeah, Mr. Battle, so if you want to try out Buellanox, they do have the Project X. I don't know if you trade Project X. They don't have Trade of 8. Pass in 1 day. 83% off. The reason why I like Buellanox is because they're cheap evals. Full honesty, I smash or pass the evals to pass them. You know, I pass them very quickly, and then I just activate the funded accounts, and the activation fee is $148, but they do have the cheap evals. Hey Tom, what is up? You want to learn my strategy? Yeah, so I'm working on that third payout right now. So we'll see if we can get it. So you can just check out my videos. I'll put a link in the chat. So those are my strategy videos. Oh, I just noticed my Nightbot is not working. Only on one side. Well, this is an experiment, so. But yeah, so if you just check out my long form videos, you'll see like inside bars, harami candles, things like that. Stock Wisdom Weekly. Chris Knopf, what is up? All right, so 871's here. We're just kind of just chopping that VWAP, boy, chopping back and forth big time. So I'm just gonna sit on my hands until the market actually moves, does something. Do I think a 199 is a good price for my funded future sim funded reset? It depends. If you're someone that gets payouts a lot, if you're someone that can consistently get payouts, I have reset them. I reset one today. I'm up $1,500 on it today. But I just locked in a payout with another one. So if you're a newer trader, it's kind of like buying a straight to funded, right? It's kind of like a straight to funded account, like through Tradeify or something. And you know, it's not gonna help you get to a payout, I guess. But if you're someone that's a consistent trader, then I don't think it's a bad price. I think it's a much better price than Top Step, which is like $4.99 or something like that. $499. Trolls up 740. Let's go. I've never traded with Top One, but yeah, perhaps. Perhaps. So I don't really know the rules with Top One, but yeah, I would just do some research on them. I know a lot of people do trade them. Charles, oh, you're going for me? Reaction design. Sorry, I was like, I haven't really watched it yet. $89 straight to funded. Yeah, so I actually looking into those too, and like you said, full porting on them. They can you trade the news? $499 for whoever. Yeah, I know. Right. Yeah, very expensive. Not something I'd recommend, but which account do you have red candles for top one? 50K, 25K, instant prime. The Ignite 25K. Maybe I'm looking at the wrong one. Oh, because there's two top ones. There's the top ones for Forex, right? And there's a top one futures. That's why I was confused. I was like, huh? Your most profitable trading day and your largest losing day must not exceed 20% of your total profits during the payout period. Huh. That's interesting. Yeah, not a bad deal. Yeah, $499 is kind of crazy. I agree. All right, Mark's chopping the VWAP right now. 874s, 23,874. See what gold's doing. Gold, push it below the VWAP. Tran. Feels like something's brewing in the U.S. Bean suppers. Is there a bean supper down at the Elks Lodge? Chef Chris gets my main humor. She's lurking in the background going, what? She's laughing. No consistency targets in XFAs. Yeah, no consistency targets either on my funded futures, and no consistency targets on Take Profit Trader. Don't lose more than 500 to make more, and then make more than 500. Yeah, just kind of base hit it, right? Says all trades must be held at least 10 seconds. That's not a problem with me. For me, 10 seconds. Yep. One stop. What is going on? Top stop 50-50. Yeah, the back to funded prices are high for sure. Ooh, inside bar here, guys. Do we actually break out to the upside here, or are we just gonna chop? Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try something new here. This is from our friend Biblical, comes into the chat sometimes. I'm gonna wait for a close of this candle perhaps, and then I'm gonna go long. I'm gonna wait for a close on either side of this. Hey, LOL Joe, what is up? Well, yeah, no, 449 for a 25k reset, that is crazy, but Joe, you can get paid out on day one. So if the market is really moving, wink wink, and you reset it and you can catch that move, you might just hit 10,000 in one day. Just saying. Just because I've done it. But it is a gamble, for sure. 100% a gamble. And I agree that you're better off trying to build up those accounts and trade them the right way. I'll have a new 50k on Take Profit Trader. Hopefully tomorrow. Let me check. I'm sure it's not updated yet. Guys, smash that like button. If you're on the mobile side, appreciate it. If you're on the other side, appreciate it as well. Multiple tab options. Oh yeah, Yoda. So I know what you're saying. I feel like there's a way to do it, Yoda, but I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, exactly, Mo. I 100% agree with you there. I mean, it kind of depends on like where you're at with your trading journey, right? Hey, Dope Book Futures, appreciate you. How will I trade the news tomorrow? Well, I won't trade it on anything that matters that much. If I do trade it, it'll be something like an eval or something. Like I was trading Bulanox today, and some of my Apex 250k. I was trading that today as well. But do I have a strategy? So I'll talk about it, but I don't recommend it. So a strategy, kind of like to pass or smash some of those evals, is basically something like a 200 point or whatever. I don't know what I have. Anyways, I look for, so like I have a 50k pass right here. So I have a 50k pass strategy, and if I do something like this with max contracts with Apex, then that's all I need to pass. So I just look for that move. So if I went in here, I'm basically just looking for 15 points, right? Couldn't quite remember what it was, but yeah, 15 points max contracts with Apex 50k. And what I would do is, like, so say we were just before the news here, I would take this bracket and I would place a buy up here. Oops, I just went long. I just went long. Ah, heck with it, we'll stay a little long. But anyways, I would just place it above and below, like just before the news candle. I'd go one long, one short, I'd just hedge it, and then see which one came down and hit it. I don't recommend doing that, but that is a quick way to pass or smash an account. Just saying. So I am long. Actually don't mind the long. We are triggered long anyway. I would have went long. I am going to place a stop down here though. Oops. Damn it, what am I doing? I am fat fingering trades like crazy. Alright, sorry. All right, I am long. Break of this inside bar. See if we can sweep the highs here, or push up through the highs, and stop is just below the VWAP and the inside bar. And so this time, because I got chopped out of this one so bad, I waited for the close of the next candle for a little more confirmation, and that's what I'm going on right now. So was the market was it good news or bad news? I don't know. That's I don't trade on fundamentals at all, Mo. So I'm literally a bar to bar trader. I come in the market with no bias. I just look to see what the market's going to give me that day, and that's it. But yeah, we'll take a look. It feels like it's see, the forecast was 0.3%. So it looks like it was negative. So it wasn't good news, I guess. It was good news, Ty? Okay, it was good news. Low inflation. But for the market, yeah, so the market kind of with like higher inflation, it's like everything is higher the way I look at it. I'm gonna sound like an idiot trying to talk about this, so I'm not gonna pretend like I know anything. I just push buttons. Yeah, red candles, exactly. Yeah, I mean, I used to pass a lot on that. I've Apex as well. Oh, nice design. Yeah, I haven't checked it out yet. What is it? Getting warm. How much total payouts have I gotten? I don't know. 200 plus 1,000? I don't know. Something like that. Total in my life? $1 billion. Tony Gold in the house. What is up? I gotta remember to look at the other chat too. Tony Gold, what is up? But no way is that you know, net. Looking for a quick 15 points. Yeah, well, we just peeked through the high there. But it's definitely not going with any momentum. We do have room to the downside as well. We left a gap down there. We're right at the market close. So we're testing technically yesterday's close at the moment. So when Biblical takes this trade, I'm not really sure like what he looks for when he gets in long off the close of the next bar. Looking for this 15-minute candle. That's nice. So what's the verdict? I'm not trying. Oh yeah, I was looking, then I saw the inside bar and got excited. I think they're okay. I mean, I still like the My Planet Futures a little better just because of the no consistency rule, but it seems like they're okay. They do have Project X, so if you guys do like Project X, top one. All right, nice push up through here. Hey, one stop, let's go. Thank you so much for the $4.99. I appreciate it, buddy. Smash the like for a one stop for the $4.99. Long's working out. Nice, Fred, huh? Bet I didn't get chopped up in this first one. Yo, Zach, what is up? Well, I kind of fumbled it a bit, Zach, but yeah, this is actually the intent. So this is something I'm trying. Theta Gains, what is going on? First time here, but you or anyone know if you ever had security issues when signing up for Rise payments? Theta, so I get Rise payments all the time. But security issues, yeah, I'm not sure. I've never had any issues. I get paid through Rise for some affiliates and payouts and some other things, so we are in a nice trade here. But thanks for tuning in. If you guys don't know, I have 2 streams going on right now. I have the vertical and horizontal. Just gonna take that off right there. So I got beat up on that first trade, but got back some on that. Seems to be okay. Well, thanks for the input. I'm an MNQ trader myself. And one last question: how long have you been using Rise? Oh, for a couple years, probably like 2 years. Oh yeah, it's a little crazy, Rise, but yeah, I have to use it for some of my affiliates income. Some of they pay out on it, and then see, my funded futures pays out on Rise. Tradeify pays me out on Rise. Yeah, a few others. How volatile is Chinese CPI usually? I have no idea. I'm not really sure. I don't know if anyone in the chat knows. I feel like Top Step's going backwards. They're trying to you know, start their own be their own brokerage. So I got the 1099 all good. Yeah, I believe I did. Yeah, I definitely got the 1099 through them, if I remember correctly. Thank you, Toy. I appreciate it. Barbie's Bowl. What is going on? So Zach, so anyways, on this trade, so one of our subscribers, Biblical, this is the way he trades it. And so what I did is I took the break. If you would have took the break on this candle here, you got stopped out basically both sides. It doesn't matter which way. I mean, it just whipped you right out. What he does, the inside, if he sees an inside bar, he waits for the close of the next bar, and then he hops in long or short depending on the close of the next bar. Something that I'm looking at. It's not, I mean, who really knows if it evens itself out over time. There's definitely trades that you don't get in at a good price if you do that. But I guess it just depends on how much you're looking for, right? You can see it worked pretty well today. It would have kept you out of this mess here. So this afternoon, or actually this morning, this nasty barcoding it had kind of looks like a spines or like a spine or something. It's just crazy nasty. It would have kept you out of this mess here, and but yeah, so China CPI was on Sunday. Oh, yesterday? Oh, okay. Is it okay to have multiple Rise accounts, Alexi? I don't know. I'm not really sure. Wow. Now it's really going. So it kind of broke out of this little range here and just really took off. The June CPI? let's see here. Trying to sign up for something. I got an invite to do a trade day. Affiliate tournament. I don't know. Hey, what chip? What is going on? Just secured $12.50. Let's go. Yeah, we just made back some money on that long there, but wait for the next one now. 92 is your stop. Made some money. Let's go. An affiliate tournament. Yeah, I don't know. $12.50 is, yeah, sweet lunch money for sure. Depending on where you go. All right, pulling back here, 890s. Let's see if we can push up or pull back. Look maybe to get in again. Benihana type, I don't know. Benihana is expensive. Subway, perhaps Subway, yeah, with the meal deal. All right, Theta Gains. Yeah, thank you for tuning in. I'm glad you found me. The fake subs is 325. Yeah, no fakes. Nice, huh? It's amazing what you can do with when you just keep grinding, I guess. But yeah, no, thank you. Woodchip's been here since, well, pretty much since the beginning, right? Sub 47, let's go. Yeah. I know Coach Fred's been here a long time. Woodchip's been here a long time. A lot of guys have been here a long time. People come and go though. Fifth green day on your scale funded accounts. Let's go. Nice work. $6-inch Subway in Cali is $12. Man, that's crazy. Missed the $5 footlongs, right? People come and go like the seasons. Yeah, I know that too well. Oh, for sure, Max. Yeah, there's a big turnover when it comes to new faces and stuff. Wow, it's just ripping. Where are we headed? Let's go, Coach Fred. Looking for 924s. Yeah, I can see that up there. For sure. We do have a gap up here. Or inefficiency. Right, market pushed up 908, pulling back 898, 900s actually, 23,900. We'll see if we actually be crazy if we actually push up to 24,000 again. What is gold doing? Chopping the VWAP at the moment. Waiting for another inside bar. Take profit trader eval. Nice, Coach Fred. Hey, brain damage. What is up? Nice little pump. Yeah, that was a beautiful pump off the off that inside bar. We took it, but I feel like I closed out too early. In hindsight, right? All right, pulling back here, 893s. Hey, Theater Games, found the other stream. Let's go. Hey, Steve Official, what is up? How's the market? Not too bad. We just caught that ripper off the broke out of that range off that inside bar, so not horrible. It could be worse, for sure. It could be a lot slower. Do I trade micro Bitcoin? You like the overnight Bitcoin? I've never traded it, Tom. No. Lost pennies, yeah, for sure. It's cheap, yeah, for sure. A lot of limit orders around 855, 847. So yeah, take a look at the heat map. Let's see. Guys, smash that like button for me if you don't mind. Nice break here above the 900s again. Pushing up. Sounds like my fund future customers. No, actually it was another support, but it was another one. Alright, pushing up 904s here. Alright, pushing up 906s. How you guys doing tonight? Hey TJP, what is going on? Watch ads. Yeah, I make probably, I don't even know, $150 a month from YouTube. It's crazy. I make like 50 cents an hour. Hey NLT, what's going on? I appreciate you being here though, Theta Gains. Stefan, what is going on? Funding ticks? I currently don't have any accounts with funding ticks at the moment. Can I explain that explain Bielanox once eval past 25k? Yeah, so I'm not sure the profit targets for the 25k, and but I can tell you, I can explain it for 50k. 3,600. So 40% consistency, Dylan. That's key. 40% consistency. 10 days. You have to trade it for 10 days. Profit targets for 25Ks. I'm not quite sure what the buffers are. But 50Ks are 3,600 to take out 1,000. 4,100 to take out 1,500. So 25k profit threshold is 1,500. Dark side, thank you so much. Yeah, Theta Gains. No, I don't make any money from YouTube. It's from affiliate links. That's how I make money from YouTube. It's pushing the links. When you guys use my code PINE, that's how I make money that's worth it to be here. It's definitely not through YouTube. But yeah, I just appreciate it. I appreciate you guys hanging out though. Alright, pulling back here, 900s. Did we hop in a long? We put in, is this a double top? Alright, yeah, equal highs. Kind of feels like it. Yeah, equal highs. I kind of like this. Discretionary. Long. Thank you. Hey, Myth, what is up? 2,600 profit to take out 1,000 on the 25k accounts from Bielanox. Thank you so much. Yes, Methodical was one of the ones that turned me on to 25k accounts. He turns me on, but turns me on with 25k accounts too. But I actually never traded them before. I just thought, nah, I'm not gonna trade 25k accounts. But I actually don't mind them. Thanks, buddy. Alright, we got long. Oh, I forgot I had a stupid bracket on here. Look up here. perhaps. Hopefully, don't pull back to the VWAP on this. Nice job passing that 50K dose, Stefan. Alright, let's see if we can get a little push up here. This is going to be an inside bar, but... yeah, I got to trade it for 10 days, Dylan, but you can technically flip for 2, technically. So 8 days. Including weekends, we'll just traded days, so an actual trading day. Might actually flatten this trade. I'm gonna flatten it. We'll wait for this inside bar. We'll see what happens. So here's how I'm gonna trade it this time. I'm gonna wait for a close above or below, and then we're gonna try it. Hey Ethan, what is up? One trades, what is going on? TPT is way better. Yeah, I agree. TPT is way better. Just reset a pro account. Yeah, I mean you can, for sure, Dylan. A little on the pricier side, but for sure. But definitely can do that. So I should have held on to my long. Hindsight, right? We'll hop in again. Looking for 20s, 22, 24, something like that. Stop below. Yeah, we traded really well today. Really happy with my trading today. Won trades. A bit of discretionary trading today for those good results. Yeah, not. I was pretty good. I was pretty good. First inside bar paid, which always helps. Usually what gets me into trouble, Fred, is when that first inside bar does not pay. That's when I need to really walk away sometimes and recoup. But yeah. So yeah, pretty good. Ouch. Big rejection there. I don't like that. Caleb, do I stream during the regular day? No, I did today though. But not really in the mornings. Oh, cool, Caleb. All right, we're still in this trade. We haven't been stopped out yet, but a big rejection there, 912s. So right now is what I was talking about. Biblical would not have been triggered in yet. He would have not been triggered in long. I caught you today. Oh, Alpine too quiet. PW too loud. Pine tree just right. Thanks, Caleb. I appreciate it. Yeah, a little quiet tonight. Chat's not really hopping off. Thank you for the sub, Archive Hoops. I appreciate it. Plus, I'm trying to fill out this form thing. Methodical, you still listening? Are you doing the affiliate trade day competition? Oh, Theta? Yeah, thanks, man. Yeah, that was from a few years ago. Yeah, crazy. Appreciate you watching, though. You doing it? Yeah, I guess I'll do it too. All right, pushing up 905s. We're in a long here. We got long from 912. I was looking for the break this inside bar. Feel like the market might be exhausted. We're gonna come down, and the bottom of the hour here could come down and take us out for our stop. I kind of would have preferred to move to the downside off this inside bar, but we took it anyway. If we get stopped out here, we'll be down a couple $100, but not a big deal. One trades, yeah, I hope so. Another inside bar here. So what do we do? What do we do? I feel like we're just consolidating, right? Dakota said he's holding 13 ES minis all night for 2400 ES minis. I can't sleep if I do that kind of stuff. I can't trade well, I probably could trade 13. I don't know. Looking for a 3 months out Tesla calls. Good luck to you. One trades. Oh, 24,000, you mean? Point of control is 23,930. Yeah, I like that. We can push up to there. I'll be just fine with it. Alright, market's really slowing down, consolidating here, just battling right here at 23,905s. Spent a lot of time here last night too, the same area. Came down and tested that 23,800 level, which we spent a ton of time on the last few days, that level too. So basically it's just bouncing back and forth from 23,800 to 23,900. But yeah, I feel like I'm out of position right now. I'm out of pocket. 2 comma trader, what is up? Said hi. Why does everyone keep saying said hi? I don't get it. This is a bunch of times someone said hi. Said hi. Said hi. I don't get it. Sorry. Has to do with a short stream, you said? Oh, okay. Maybe. Set high, maybe. Oh, okay, maybe. Who is Charlie Kirk? I don't know. Apparently he died today. I don't know who it is though. Someone came in and said in the chat. Market. All right, so this is one of those situations. All right, so I'm just kind of like talking what I'm thinking. I'm thinking out loud here. So this is one of those situations where Biblical, one of our traders that comes into the Discord and stuff, he would have not have taken this inside bar, just like he would have not have taken that first inside bar. He would have taken this one because we had a close above or below this inside bar. We just stopped out here, and so theoretically what he would have done is probably gone short here. So yeah, so you would have gone short here. So we're just gonna try it. This is on an eval. I'm gonna try a short here. He would have waited for a close above or below 8 inside bar. So for this case here, we got a close below. So that would have triggered a short. And so now we're in a short. This one would have never triggered. Because we never got a close above or below. So instead of just going for the break. Now the first inside bar of the New York session, which is the one that pays, that one is just the initial break. But so it's perhaps something I'll work on. Maybe start putting into my trading system. Yes, the market makers are coming after my sim funded stops. Exactly, Theta. Conservative speaker owned a non-profit and super PAC. Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know. I don't follow any politics or anything. Yeah, a lot of hate in the world. A lot of hate. Anyways. You long at 890, O'Brien? Oh no! Oh, you're looking for long at 890. Or you're already long at 890. I like it. So we're short here, 902s. $23,895 pivot. I don't mind that. Bottom of the hour here. Let's see if we actually push down. A lot of times we'll push to the bottom, down to the VWAP just before Tokyo opens. So that'll be nice. I'm in I'm in heavy. I'm in 2 contracts. All right, Theta. All right, see if we can push down. We gotta stay below that 23,900, I think. Get a nice solid close below it. I think we could push towards that VWAP. Kind of getting bought up there. How you guys doing? How you guys trading tonight? Only goes up. I know, design. It's terrible, isn't it? Working some evals. Let's go, Stefan. Streamer trading contest. It's through Trade Day. First ever influencer cup. The winner gets $5,000 and a chance to say you were the first ever influencer cup winner. Hey Sherry, what is up? It's free. Oh, it says that 5,000 goes to their community too. So yeah, I don't know. Kind of crazy. I guess it's for 5 weeks though. Something crazy. What does it say? Yeah, 5 weeks. 5 weeks. Hey Investors, what is up? I'm doing pretty good. Yeah, I had a really good day. Not doing that great tonight. We're down slightly, but everything takes a lot of time with trade day. I know it does. I mean, I'm gonna do it, I guess, but it's one of those things where, like the Ninja Trader competition, I just found myself full boarding it and not really caring. I don't know. We'll see. I'll probably do it though. Hey, Eric Lake in the house. What is up, buddy? Good to see you. So those of you who don't know, I am streaming on two platforms, or YouTube Shorts and the horizontal version. So yeah, that explains it. Yeah, I don't know. I was just trying it out. I didn't know if it makes a difference or what. Yeah, people in the chat were talking about it, Eric Lake. I didn't even know who it was, so. Are you giving an account to trade on the NinjaTrader account? Yeah. So, yeah, I'll be getting an account to trade. Yeah, I'll be free to trade on. It's not the NinjaTrader one. I have done NinjaTrader competitions in the first and before, and you do get free accounts. But no, this one's a trade day. Trade day competition, Influencer Cup. It's called. I'll do it. I'll be a team player, I guess. I don't really want to do it, but sad. Yeah, I don't know who it is, but yeah, no. I mean, anytime someone gets assassinated, I guess. But I guess this guy is he has his high profile, so. Yeah, for sure. You passed phase 1 and 2 today. Also, my consistency down 43%. Need 25%. Oh, nice, Eric. Nice work. All right, so now we're getting the push down here. Yeah, Yoda. I mean, for those that been with me a long time, they know that. Well, I'm not gonna talk about it, but all right, push it down. Just that I lost someone that to a bullet, so that's all I'll say. Gold's popping. Maybe NQ will drop. All right, let's see if it's push downs here. Nice. So like someone said, we get a pivot point here. I don't really trade the pivot points, but I might take one off. Kind of looking for that VWAP target. Not uncommon that we push down to the VWAP for just before Tokyo Open, so all right, took one off there. Let the rest ride. Stop at the break-even stop here. Take that one off. Oh, thank you, Eric Lake. Yeah, my day was pretty good. Yeah, good day. Nice green day for the most part. Ooh, what a bounce there. Just below that pivot point. Market's picking up a little bit, volatility on this push down. I'm looking for a little more, looking to possibly target the VWAP. Well, we might get stopped out. This is a free trade. So far, a free trade. We did get back a little bit of what we had lost, or what we were down. I think we were down a couple $100 at one point, so. All right, let's see if we push down. 896 is here. We are short from 902.25. Look for 891. Stop is at break even. See if we can break below that 895s. What's ES doing? Oh, I don't have ES up on there anyway. Gold starting to take off, making new highs. How about them Cowboys? Did they win? I'm in first place in one of my season-long football pools. One that I won. I think I won money last year, and yeah, I did. I won money last year in that pool, and then I don't know. I consistently win money. They didn't lose today. Well, I know my Patriots lost. We had our time, I guess. Well, the Cowboys have a good chance of winning. Is it next week? Oh, no, wait. They play... Well, they play the Giants. And then the Bears. Who does the Patriots have next week? The Dolphins. We play the Dolphins. Hey, Tony Romo, so you like the Saints, like. All right, Nasdaq still wanting to push down here. We'll see. I'm looking for the VWAP to take profit. We'll see if we can get it before Tokyo opens here in 11 minutes. Caleb, yeah. I mean, it's only because we got caught, Caleb. It's only because we got caught. We all know everyone does it. Not a crime unless you get caught. That's exactly right. Exactly. Where am I from? I am from Maine. State of Maine. Hence the name, Pine Tree Trader, because they call the state of Maine Pine Tree State. Lobster, that's right. I think I'm gonna have a lobster this weekend. Before the season starts to wrap up. Apparently ICT is up visiting Maine for all you ICT gurus. Saw on Twitter he was looking for a place to eat lobster. It's like, well, you don't have to go far. Tactical reviews. So my personal favorite, Tradeify, but I am looking into, and Tradeify is for straight to funded accounts, is kind of my favorites. I am looking into the top one though, but I'm not sure about them yet. I haven't read the rules or anything. My Funded Future accounts, if you pass the core in the past, you can reset it for $200. So that's essentially a straight to funded now. The Bushes in Kennebunkport. I think so. I think they still have the estate, Kennebunkport. I'm pretty sure they still have the giant Bush estate. Walker Point. Yeah, I don't travel down to Kennebunkport very often. Oh yeah, you're North Texas. I've never been to Texas. I'd like to visit someday though. Nice, Caleb. Yeah, we have you know, some of the best seafood for sure. All right, maybe we actually don't push down into the VWAP. We'll see here. Pico's ready from North Texas as well. Nice. Yeah, I've never been to Texas. I've always wanted to go to like the Austin Music Festival. I have the t-shirt, but I've never been. A lot of cow eaters. Yeah, yeah. The Texas barbecue for sure. I would love to try out Texas barbecue. Lunar Trades is a shit show. You been? Kind of looked fun, but yeah, it probably is. All right, push down. Got about 5 minutes before the Tokyo Open. Oh, really, Caleb? Yeah, I've never been. I've never been to Texas, period. I haven't been to too many places. Obviously, I've been around New England, but Florida. That's where I usually go for snowbirding. Florida. I do want to go. I want to go to. I might go to California for just a visit. We'll see. I want a snowbird. I don't want to. I want to be up here. Used to live in New Bronco on 6th Street under the I-35 bridge, Caleb. Lobber Dauber be a winter Texan. It's a possibility someday. I have looked at some places before in Texas, and I was like, man, this is pretty affordable. Played your guitar? Nice. You played your guitar for some cash. Nice. Do you still have a Bronco, Caleb? Probably if you still had your old Bronco, it'd probably be worth a lot of money now. Everyone wants those things. It's crazy. Not in the van down by the river. The food in Austin is really good. Yeah, I would love to try out some good barbecue. I had some pulled pork mac and cheese for lunch. Now it's got me in the mood for some more barbecue. Oh really? You ran an event down there, Luna? That's interesting. It was yeah. After living in a couple of years, I have also lived in a vehicle for a while. Not easy, and it wasn't by choice. Some people live in them by choice now. We have some van life people that pop in the chat sometimes. All right, 2 minutes before Tokyo Open. This is a make or break. We'll see if it hits my break even stop, or hits my take profit. We'll see. I feel like this is like coin flip. I feel like I'm waiting for news. My luck's gonna hit my stop. But yeah, everyone wants those Broncos. That's the thing. Bronco 2s and the full-size ones. Everyone wants them. All right, 1 minute. algo candle right there for the Tokyo Open. Looks like we might get stopped out. A little unlucky on the take profit. Well, we made back some money. $30 seconds. Class of 95. What year did I graduate? 2002. All right, Tokyo Open. All right, we're out for break even on that runner. So down 200 bucks. Not horrible. Basically one trade. Alright guys, well, now it's going to push down. For real. I think I'm going to call it there. Appreciate you guys hanging out. And we'll do it again. We'll be back tomorrow for sure. And we'll do it again. I'm tired today. Trade safe. Please use code PINE for any prop firm that you use to help support the channel. We got Tradeify, Trade Day, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures. It's got 25% off. Bulanox and Apex are both around 80% off. If you use code PINE on either one of those. If you want the option 2 for Bulanox, it's PINE 2. That's 75% off. That's the end of day accounts. So pretty good day today. I'm really happy with my trading today. It hasn't been going that well as of late, so I'm really happy that I've been kind of sticking with my strategies and just kind of letting it do what it's going to do. So, but yeah, 25% off My Funded Future resets. So a core account reset will cost you about $58 if you use code PINE. So, appreciate that. And I'm going to get on tomorrow from New York. I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. But I appreciate it, guys. Smash the like button on your way out. Thank you for checking out the YouTube short version and the horizontal version. It's just kind of an experiment to see how it works out. But anyway, guys, I'll leave you to that and enjoy the outro song. All right, guys. Trade safe. Peace.
Check the strategy, simple and clean. Punch tree in the building, the trading machine. I'm looking at the charts, not for no drama, just for that sweet setup. Call it the inside bar gamma. It's a tight squeeze, a moment of pause, breaking to the upside or the downside without flaws. It's my bread and butter, my daily routine, capturing them moves, living the dream. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Penetraries on the road, putting skills to the test. Yeah. See, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed mic. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact. day, cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm